Introduction to CSS. CSS Cascading Style Sheets is used to style and layout web pages. Ways to apply CSS. Inline CSS directly in the HTML element. Internal CSS within a style tag in the HTML file. External CSS in a separate .css like linked to the HTML. CSS syntax selector property value style internal style within a style tag in the HTML file. Style body h1 now ULP footer button. H1 H1 inline CSS inline CSS inline CSS color aqua color aqua inline CSS internal CSS explanation this is the root element of the HTML document, contains metadata and links to resources like CSS or JavaScript. In this case, we define CSS styles directly inside the external CSS in a separate .css file linked to the HTML. Style CSS background color and green color aqua button not button document viewport document image lorem ipsum dollar padding margin t markdown image display flex lorem ipsum h1 style padding margin 1 padding margin full breakdown of each part doc type HTML declarations the document type and version of HTML inform the browser that this is an HTML5 document. HTML language and root element for the entity HTML document. Language and specifics that the language is English, which helps screen readers and search engines. Meta-charted UTF-6 supports all standard characters including international languages. Display flex. This uses flexbox to place the image and the heading h1 next to each other horizontally. Display flex. Body section. Display an image HTML GIF from image folder. A large next image lorem ipsum ADF horizontal. Now well li style margin 10 pixel, style padding 10 pixel. Add space inside the coffee list item. Style margin 10 pixel adds space outside the T and one dart list items. Href. Markdown. Box. Div style display in lane. Padding base 5 pixel border 2 pixel solid RGBA 2 section style border 2 pixel section style padding border 1 pixel solid red 1 pixel solid red. Style margin 15%. HTML multimedia code breakdown chart audio and text paragraph block markdown padding 10 pixel, margin 10 pixel, margin 10 pixel, href, style outline style dotted, background color biscuit, outline color blue, outline style dotted, outline style dotted, background color biscuit, outline color blue, outline color blue. Karşı 2020 karşı sayılar yapsın dolar. HTML code, footer, paragraph and buttons, declaration HTML5. HTML title CSS, body H1 UL, background color text alien, background color, display font family, button, inline style display flex, inline style padding 10 bucks. That's border, display flex, monospace, font size, working with external CSS. External CSS allows you to separate the content HTML and style CSS. Create an external CSS file style CSS. Link style sheet href style CSS. Button, button green button, link CSS, style CSS, style sheet, and green button. Green button. Style green read, 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 and green button. Style CSS text area center. Full CSS explanation with comments global selector, command out, body h1, centers, p now, height, border, ul, utility class, margin, link, hover, selector. On external CSS, red, background color red.